welcome you all in this educational video of NIOS. This is subject Library and Information Science. Code number for this subject is 339. This video is for senior secondary level. This is lesson number 4. Name of the lesson is shown on the screen. It is 5 Laws of Library Science. This video is part 6. Earlier we had discussed that there are basically 5 laws of library. 3 laws we already have discussed. In this video we will be discussing law number 4. Fourth law of the library science talks about save the time of the reader. Let us now understand this law further. You can see on screen there are 7 implications of this fourth law. We will understand this one by one. The first implication of the fourth law talks about classified arrangements. Classified arrangement of books in the stack room saves the time of the reader, as it is easy for a reader to find all the books on the same subject arranged at one place for browsing. The arrangement entries in catalog cabinet is in classified manner. It aids the reader to select the books easily from the respective shelves. And the fourth law, therefore, calls for classified arrangement of books in the stack room, so that any reader can easily search his or her desired book. It will save the reader's time, and also it will make his search easy. The second implication of the fourth law talks about catalog entry. In case of composite books, classified arrangement is sufficient to save the objective time of the reader. The various facets of composite books can be brought to the notice of the reader by making cross-references and subject analytical entries. Therefore, the fourth law calls for the classified arrangement of cards in the catalog cabinet and also the analytical entries for composite book. The third implication of fourth law talks about open access. The fourth law strongly opposes the process of the closed access system. It supports open access system for saving the time of the reader. When any reader can easily select the books in an open access easily, then it automatically saves the reader's time. The fourth implication of the fourth law talks about reference services. This law supports the library staff should provide adequate personal help to their readers. Such help is known as reference service. A reference library staff should have adequate professional knowledge and be active to serve their readers in an efficient and effective manner. The message, "Save the time of the reader," makes all necessary efforts to meet the demand of the reader in least possible time with the help of references cum guidance services. The reference librarians should be able to answer the queries of the reader by providing ready reference service and a long range of reference service with the help of information tools. The fifth implication of the fourth law talks about the centralized prenatal cataloging. To save the time of the staff, Ranganathan has advocated prenatal categorized, centralized cataloging and classification. This law urges the library to evolve a uniform cataloging code to make way for international cooperative cataloging. It also supports the centralized documentation work at international level to save time, money, and manpower. The sixth implication of the fourth law talks about stack room guides. To save the time of the reader, the library should provide an efficient system of guides in the stack room. The guides, along with placing tags, should enable the readers to find the books easily. The seventh implication of the fourth law talks about library location. The fourth law also deals with the time taken by the reader to reach the library. It should be so located as to save the time of the reader, but the location of urban area libraries is not always equally accessible from all parts of city due to some geographical constraints. The law demands setting up the branch, library, and delivery station for the same in rural areas. A branch library can be as useful as in the town. The rural population can also be served by the mobile vans which serve the small libraries and delivery station. All these libraries should be connected and operated with the district central library. Thank you.